This video could save you hours of revision on GDP. GDP, also known as Gross Domestic Product, tells us the total monetary value of all final goods and services within a country's borders. And it acts like a health monitor for a country's economy. So let's break this down. The gross part basically just means the total value. So imagine we collect every final good or service in the country and scan it across a really large till. And after I scan through every final good or service through my till, I would have a big long receipt, and at the very bottom would be the total amount spent. That total amount spent is equal to our GDP. The domestic part of GDP refers to within a country's borders. So this is just any economic activities that are happening within a country's borders. But let's say, for example, I'm from the UK and I'm going to buy some trainers from the United States. As the product sold is not from within the UK, buying the trainers would actually add to the Americans' economy and not the UK's. And when we say final goods, these are products or services which are at the end of the production process and are waiting to be sold to the final consumer. So let's say I own a bakery and I buy in different ingredients. For example, wheat, flour, sugar and butter. Now the purchase of those ingredients don't actually add to the GDP because I need to use those ingredients to make a cake, for example. And when I sell the cake to a final consumer, the price of that cake is what's going to be added to the country's GDP. If you found this video useful, please make sure to press like on the video.